Now it's working. It apparently is. Well, hello. Today we are here with a little Asquith pan, which is based on a fox, a reliant fox. It hasn't started in quite some time. I brought it from England to Spain like 3 or 4 years ago, and it hasn't started probably since the last 6 months or something like that. So today, hopefully, we will make it go again. I brought the battery from the Morris, and I'll put it in here to see if it works or not. Oh dear, poor little thing. I would like to do the paperwork on this to make it road legal, but here in Spain it's not very easy, such as life. Today you'll see I've changed the recording equipment. Today I'm trying a new camera, so let's see how it goes. And here's the cameraman. Hi havia una 13. Ja en fi. Això si li canvies l'àcid, aquesta bateria tornaria...
Doncs sí.
Tornaria a la vida. Però no sé quan val l'àcid de bateria.
Jo crec que menys que una bateria.
Això segur. Ah, si està aguantada de veritat i tot. Jo em pensava que només estava aguantada per les brides. And off it goes. And we shall pop the new battery in, which doesn't fit. And let's see what it does. It works. Right. Fuel. None. S'ha mort. Feed out a little pressure.
Ui! Ui, quasi! Ui!